doing a movie.
Yeah.
Ready? And cut.
Good job.
I'm flaming fun everywhere. Great. Here, oh look, see it here. Okay, so at some point it's going to be a bare piece of fabric.
And we'll be vacuuming.
Oh, sorry. We didn't think about that one. There's feathery fuzzes all over everywhere. He says, I like it except it's fuzz. It sheds fuzz everywhere. Wow, great meat store. It's good though. He must have been. Yeah. Yeah.